All right, moving on now. Rahul Gandhi is in Tamil Nadu today, and this, of course, is leading the Congress's campaign in Tamil Nadu. Rahul, in fact, is in Tirupur at this point in time, and the visuals on your screens are of his roadshow that he is doing there. Let me go across to Mugilan, who's joining us for more details. Mugilan, what can you tell us?
Definitely, as a part of his 3-day tour to Tamil Nadu today, he is in Tirupur, and then he will be traveling to Erode and Darapuram today. And while addressing the public in Tirupur, he took a dig at the ruling central government, stating that the leadership in Delhi does not have any respect for the people of Tamil Nadu, and he also said that the central government in Delhi is controlling the government here in Tamil Nadu, and he also said that he is not here to give his Mann Ki Baat, but to listen from the people and sort out their and trying to resolve their problems. And Rahul Gandhi once again plays the emotional and the cultural card, stating that he is one among them, and his relationship with the people of Tamil Nadu is like a family. So Rahul Gandhi, in the second day also, he plays the cultural and traditional card. And tomorrow also, he is here in Tamil Nadu. He will be traveling to Karur also. So in last 2 days, we have seen Rahul Gandhi taking a dig at the central and the state government, and he has also try to connect with the people of Tamil Nadu by invoking the culture and the tradition of Tamil Nadu.
That's right, Mugilan. Of course, at this point in time, Rahul Gandhi is in Tirupur. We can see quite a bit of, the crowd that has gathered over there at this point. What else can you, if you can just, take us through what his plan is going to be for his entire visit?
As I said earlier, this 3-day tour is completely planned in the western zone of Tamil Nadu. Usually that is called as a ADMK's forte. The Kongu belt is always considered as the ADMK's forte, and that is why now Rahul Gandhi has kickstarted his campaigning from the west zone, and he is traveling to all these districts, especially the Coimbatore, Tirupur, Erode, Darapuram, Karur. So these are the areas where the DMK and the Congress will be needing the extra push, and that is why the Congress have kickstarted their election campaigning in the west zone, the west district. And as I said earlier, in last 10 days, at least in last 11 days, this is the second visit of Rahul Gandhi. Earlier we saw he coming to Madurai and witnessing the Jallikattu, and now he has come back to Tamil Nadu once again. And even in the last time when he came to Madurai, we saw he is invoking this cultural card, where he said that there are attempts being made to suppress the Tamil Nadu's culture, tradition and language, and Congress will not allow that to happen. And even today and yesterday, Rahul Gandhi have picked up the same issue. He is speaking on the attempts that are being made by the people in Delhi to suppress the cultural tradition and the language of Tamil Nadu, and he says that he will not allow that to happen. And more importantly, he is meeting representatives from various sectors. Yesterday, he met representatives from MSME sector, and there was a 1-hour interactive session, and there was a question and answer session where he took up questions from the MSME sector representatives also. So Rahul Gandhi is trying to connect with the people of Tamil Nadu. He is trying to make an emotional outreach with the people of Tamil Nadu, because very particularly in last 2 days, he has made it very clear that the relationship what he has with the people of Tamil Nadu is more of an emotional and a family bonding, and he also stated that he is not here for any selective motives.
All right, Mugilan, thank you so much for joining us with all of those details. That's as far as Rahul Gandhi and his visit in Tamil Nadu is concerned.